Hi everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and want to see more crafty related videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose your preference on how you like YouTube to notify you of my videos. So today I'm back with some more project shares and a one item haul. So I've been super busy, as I've said before in my past videos, and I haven't really been on YouTube that much. I haven't been watching videos. I haven't been in the live chats and stuff like that because we're just trying to get ready for the holidays. The schools are going crazy right now with closing down and opening up. You never know what day your kid's actually going to go to school or if they're going to have to stay home. Mom's been sick, stuff going on with dad, you know, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the haul. The haul is from SPECTRUMART as per usual. I love these ladies so much. They are so fun. Their live sales are fun and entertaining, and they chat along with you. It ain't just about business. They actually like to get to know you. And they have an online store now. So all of their info will be in my description box below, even their link to their store. Sorry, my brain's not working this morning. So the thing that I got from them is I've been wanting this and I've been holding off, and I actually asked her to look into getting them for us, and that is the Tim Holtz Tiny Attacher. So if you guys know a good place to get the staples for this, hit your girl up. So that is my haul from Miss Maddie and Madison over on SPECTRUMART. Now we're gonna get into some more ornaments. Y'all, let me tell you that I struggled. It must not be my year for ornaments, or I don't know, but whew. In my one video, I mentioned the Santa's reindeer set, which I have here. This is my mom's set. She already bought this from me. I have 2 sets of everything, so that, you know, if family wants it, or during my sale somebody else, 2 people want it, you know, that kind of thing. So these ornaments gave me pure, and I'm gonna say it, hell. I originally started off with white paint on the inside. Turned out beautiful. And then when I thought they were dry, the next day, mind you, I sat them by the heater for 24 hours. 24 hours. So when I touched the top part, it felt dry. I looked inside, it looked dry. Cool beans, put the tops on, went and did grocery shopping, came back, and all the paint was like down in the bottom of the bulb. I don't know how that happened. I never worked with paint on the inside of the bulbs. I've always done the glitter, but I just wanted to try something different. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know if there was just a tad bit of moisture left in there, and when I put the lids on, it made everything just liquefy. I don't know. I don't know. I'm dumbfounded. Let's just put it that way. So then I had to spend many hours washing and scrubbing out these bulbs. And then I decided to do the glitter, which you can see, they're glittery, they're shiny, they look amazing now. Worked my butt off making these little tiny bows, which when you have fingernails, it's not fun. You know, spent many hours just on these bulbs alone. And I put them on top of my desk. And I don't know what happened. I turned my back and they came crashing down onto the ground. And I'm thinking, they're plastic. Everything's gonna be good. Because I don't like doing glass ones for shipping reasons and stuff. Everything's gonna be good. They're plastic, nothing's, you know. No, they were not good. So what happened was when they came crashing down from my desk up top, which is a good 5 foot tall, to the ground, I don't know what, because I've never had this happen before. When they landed, all of the glitter de-adhered, I guess you want to call it, I don't know, and was in the bottom of the bulb, and the rest was clear. And I'm like, what is my luck right now? What is my luck right now? Because like That has never happened. I have my kids, I have these on my Christmas tree. My kids mess with them. My cats tear them down. And I've never had the issue. So I had to start the process all over again with the polyacrylic and the glitter and the swirling around and the shaking up and then letting them dry for another 24 hours before I put the tops on. Stress. But they are finally done. I am babying all of them. And they will be wrapped amazing if and when I have to ship them out to people. So let's go ahead and go in and show you the batch of reindeer. There's 9 ornaments in this batch. This would be sold for $25. I probably should sell it for $50 after what I've been through, but I'm not that mean. But anyways, here is Cupid. Cute. They're all pretty much the same except for Rudolph. And then you have Donner. We have Dancer and Blitzen. Don't fall off my desk. And we got Comet and Dasher. And then we have Vixen and Cupid. Or no, Prancer. Sorry, I already did Cupid. Yep, okay, they're all there. And then the most famous reindeer of them all is Rudolph. And he is red with, see the ribbon on the top? How I switched it up a little bit? Yeah. So those are the 9 reindeers. And I'm going to stack them back in this container. And I'll probably take them down to my mom today because I've been in the house for a week. I haven't left. Is that bad? I know. Because of the kids with the schooling and the new rules that are going to be taking into effect here in Ohio, and it's cold. That's another big reason. I'm not the type of person that likes the cold. Everybody says I belong in Florida with my dad, which I 100% agree with that, but unfortunately the husband is stubborn and doesn't let me. So the next batch of ornaments, let's tell you about the issue that I had here. No clue where my transfer tape went. Now I do these with my Cricut, they're with permanent vinyl. I need my transfer tape to transfer the images onto the thing. Had it the day that I made these, and these were made the next day and vanished, gone. Can't find it. And I had a gigantic roll. I don't know if when I left to just go down to the post office, Grayson grabbed it because Brad was here, and if Grayson grabbed it and threw it in the trash and Brad didn't notice it when he took out the trash before I got back home, I don't know. But my transfer tape's gone and I need to get some more, which means I have to leave the house longer than what I want to. But what I had to do with these is I had to put on each piece one by one. Took me hours, but they're cute. They're not perfect. Some are a little imperfect, but what gingerbread man or girl is perfect? So I'm just gonna hold these up, and these will be sold. There's gonna be 6 in a batch. There's gonna be 3 girls and 3 boys. I'm just gonna hold them all up for you to show, and then I will hold up 1 girl and 1 boy to show you guys. These actually are my favorite so far. They turned out super cute. This was not a image that I could just pull from Google or pull from the Cricut design space. I had to design this from scratch because I could not find one that was cheap enough, because I'm not paying $10 for one image, and not copyrighted, pretty much. So I had to design this image by myself, figure out the measurements and so forth, but I am glad how they turned out. They turned out super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just hold up this right here. There's my little gingerbread men and women. I don't know if you can tell right now from a distance which ones are the males and which ones are the females, but these turned out super cute. They are definitely one of my favorites. It makes me want to do like an actual Christmas tree. When I do a Christmas tree, it's nothing but beach theme. like the rest of my house, but I don't know. And then I'm going to tell you about some upcoming ones that are going to be personalized, so you will have to order in advance, and I'd get them done within like a week, but I'll show you that here in a minute. So here are the little girls. The little girls have the fun little cute eyelashes and the heart cheeks. So that is the little girl. My glare is absolutely terrible. I know, I need a new setup ASAP. But look how cute she is. She's adorable. I love it. And I was thinking, just a little bit of a thought. I have this really pretty ribbon here that I got from Michael's. I was thinking about putting that on the top parts, you know, like right here on these. Yeah, maybe. And then on the little swirly line here and on the dots of the girls, maybe add some glitter to them. I don't know. Leave me a message in the comment section below. But I have this really cute, fun, burlappy, candy cane striped ribbon. So we have the girl, and then here is our handsome little guy right here. His eyes are different, and he's got round cheeks. So I'll show you the difference of the two, little husband and wife. So yeah, that is it for those ones. So I was thinking about making personalized, like rustic-y farmhouse ornaments. Now, these ornaments aren't going to be with bulbs. They're actually going to be with these. And give me 1 second. Right here, I have 1,000 scramble tiles. And I thought it would be cute to add like a thing of burlap and then put Joy, Mary, and Bright, and then maybe the family's last name as a set. So yeah, what you think? I think that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm excited to get to work on those, but I still have many more ornaments that need to be done. I also have flat disc ones that I'm going to be putting like certain quotes on. They will be sold separately instead of in sets like this. I also have a bunch downstairs for my craft shows. I have Grinches. I have snowflake ones. I even have wooden disc ones that have painted like snowmen on them and Christmas trees, I think, and Joy and a snowflake. Did I say that? Yeah. So that's what I've been working on. I have not yet to get a journal done, you guys, and I'm really struggling on that. I need to finish getting these ornaments done, get the ones that have already been bought from me shipped out and out of the way so that I can do a journal. I think I might wait 2 days to finish the ornaments just so I can get the journals out, because November is flying by so fast for me. Hopefully next week I have a dentist appointment, so we'll be getting my front tooth fixed, which I'm excited for, and so forth. And then come December, you guys will have another weight loss update, because I will be going to my 3-month post-op appointment in December. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I am definitely ready for a new year, and if you are too, I don't blame you. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna get off here, quit rambling on, get stuff done, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.